Hello everyone, this is Eileen and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified of my latest uploads. Thank you! Hello everyone, this is Eileen again, and as I've promised you last time, I will show you some of the first footages that I took using this camera. I am currently using the Sony ZV1 camera I brought 2 weeks ago, and I'm going to share it with you guys. By the way, I'm currently here on the rooftop of the building where I live, and as you can see, this is not my garden, guys. This is a garden from another Filipino teacher who's living in the same building with me. But this is so cute. I want to have this garden as well, vegetable garden. But I'm going to show you today some of my flowers. As some of you know, I also grow sunflowers here. So I would like to show you that some of them already has bloomed, like this one. Here. Okay, and this one right here. It's beautiful sunflower right here. As you can see it. Okay. Now I want to take you guys with me out for a short walk in the neighborhood. Let's explore the area and check out some beautiful flowers and plants and trees and maybe insects we can find, and let's take as many pictures, as many videos as we can, and let's test this camera out. So by far, my most favorite feature here is the autofocus. As you can see, it has excellent autofocus in videos and even stills. As you can see, it suddenly switches off to the object in focus, which is an excellent feature. So this is the first time I test my camera out, like outside, in the open, with bright lights, and I'm satisfied with it so far. I'm satisfied with the performance. Again, my most favorite part is the autofocus, and I also love that it's so handy. I love the shooting grip. It gives me the freedom to switch from photo and video. I mean, I don't have to swap. Even if I'm taking a video, I can just click the photo button, and then it will capture, it will take the photo even without swapping it. So that's a good thing as well. I will discuss more about that in probably my next video, but so far I'm good with it. I'm happy with it. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you everyone. Take care. God bless, and see you next time.